Hello everyone, my name is Petro, and in this video I'm going to be showing you an inspection camera with a display from PARKSIDE. This specific one I bought from Lidl. I paid $39.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other retailers online such as eBay or Amazon if you wish. Now this specific one is a very interesting tool. You can do a lot of things with it, but I believe it's very useful to people that work as plumbers, if I had to assume. So what I'm going to do is show you the outer box itself, and then of course show you the product, how the product works, and just an example of it, or where you can use it. So let's get onto it. Now this is a medium-sized box towards a big, so it's not, you can definitely not call this small, so it's towards medium and big size. And then let's zoom in. Now this specific one comes with a 3-year warranty, just to mention that straight away. And let's see here, there's some technical information here. Let's see, you can zoom in at 4x4, and also with this one you can take pictures. So you can take this specific device can save up to 100 pictures, but I'll show you that in a second. And this is what the product looks like, and the actual cable that holds the camera in length is 120 centimeters, so it's 1.2 meters. So let's see. At the bottom it says it comes with 4 attachments to detect and grasp objects, but we should be able to find that out. So that's the information on the front. Now at the bottom it comes with the batteries, this one. Now on the back there is a technical information. Again, I'm going to show you, you can zoom in at any point if you would like to read it. That's just the information on the back. Just show you again, this is waterproof IP67. And let me see with the information on the sides. It says display with brightness control and 180 degrees rotatable image. Inspection lighting with 10 different level of brightness. The other side should have some pictures as well. So let's see, a micro USB that you connect to a computer to transfer the pictures, and the accessories that come with it. But we should be able to find that out in a second. Now to open this one, either use the left side or the right side. They will have a sticker there, so you use something sharp as a knife or a scissor, whichever that might be. But in my case, I just opened it already with a scissor, just save time. So let's just open that one. And let's get this out. So this is a sneak peek of what's inside the box. I don't believe there is any information on the box itself. Not really. So again, to open this one, just push the plug parts here towards your side, and that should open the box. So let's see what's inside here. Now on the top part, on the right here, on this small area, you get the attachments that go on the actual cable, on the camera cable, and you get 4 of them. So you get one, there's a double hook, this is a magnet, and this is a small mirror, and the one that fell down is a single hook. So these are the 4 you get. Let me just put those back. Actually, let me just give one on the side so I can show you what it would look like to put one of them there. So this is what's on the box on the top side. Now on the bottom side you get the 4 alkaline batteries, which I believe these ones are, yeah, they are 4 alkaline batteries, I was correct. So this specific one will come with the batteries. So this is the product itself, very light, solid, strong, very good material, has 5 buttons, but we will see that in a second. And it takes 4 AA batteries. So if I leave this on the side, and then the owner's manual or the instructions guide. On the back you get a barcode to scan. You can scan it again, the online PDF format if you wish. Now this one comes with the micro USB to a normal USB port to charge it or to transfer. I'm sorry, my mistake. This is for transferring the data to the computer, because for power this one uses batteries. Let me just take this out of here so you can have more space. Now this is the cable itself. So this part here will go on the device itself, and I'll show you how to do that. And then this one here is the camera with the LED lights around it. There is an extreme level of adjustment, and the cable is definitely long. So let's start with this one. So the first thing you're going to need to do, open the lid, of course. So let's put 4 batteries. I'm not going to use the ones that come in the box. I use rechargeable batteries, and the specific ones I use are the Tronic ones. So these are the AA. I'll make another video in the future showing you the specific ones. These are a bit fancy, as you can see here, but let's just pop them in. There we are, 4 in there. And now the next thing you're going to need, or you need to do, is pop this part here so we cannot connect each other. Now, if you wonder which side this goes to, if you can see this kind of area that's pointing out, then here, I'm not entirely sure if the camera is able to visualize that, but you should see a gap where my finger is pointing or my nail is pointing, and that pointy part will go in there. Sorry, my mistake. It's on the other side. So the area is here. Let me see. It's just right there. So if I were to push that in here, there we are. So it went in. So it's as simple as that. And then once you put it in, it will say here to remove clockwise and to lock anti-clockwise. So to lock this one, you'll do it anti-clockwise, and to unlock it is clockwise. So we connected the camera cable to the actual device. Now let me just put here this as an example. So this is a PlayStation 1. This is just an example, and you'll see in a second why I brought it here. Now let me just show you how to turn this on. So the way to turn this on is you hold the 5th button, which is this red button here. If you can't see the screen clearly, just to let you know, it's because it has a screen protector on it. But I'm gonna keep that just in case. And as you can see, let me just make it easier as much as I can. So on the screen you should be able to see what the camera says, and I can tell you the quality of it is just amazing. Like for what you're paying for, the quality on the camera itself is just amazing. Now you can use it straight away, straight as soon as you open the box and you put the batteries in. Now just a small example here. Now if I wanted to see what's inside the PlayStation 1, I would put the camera part towards there, and then we should be able to see on the screen. So let me just try to find a specific area in here. Now as you can see from here, this is the quality of it is so detailed that you should be able to see the information on the capacitors. If we're able to get one. Again, trying to do it with one hand is not as easy. But there we are. But see, the quality of the camera itself is just you are able to see the actual letters on the capacitors, and the capacitors themselves are very, very small. But again, I don't believe this is intended to look in what's inside the PlayStation 1, but in like areas around walls and places such as that. So let's see the buttons here. Now I believe this one, if I'm not wrong, is the brightness level, and it has 10 different levels of brightness. So let's just try that one. Let's see. Yeah. So on the top left here, you can see that every time you press it, it goes by, the brightness level increases by 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Now, if we want to take a picture, I believe is this button here, you just press it once, and it takes a picture, and the quality of the pictures are really good. So let me just take three random ones. Take one more. So we have 3 pictures. Now, let's see what's that one. So I'm going to press the second button. So the second button will take you to the picture finder. Now the first button here, it will take the pictures from 3 to 1. So it will go down, and if you press the fourth button, it should go up. You see, it goes from 3. So it goes from 3 to 1. But if you were to press this one, it will go from 1 to 3. So the first and the fourth button will just scroll between the pictures itself. And if you wanted to delete a picture, let's say you wanted to delete, let's say picture 3. If we were to press that one, now a screen opens here and it shows. If you would like to go back, you press the second button. If you would like to delete all of the pictures, you press that button, the red button. If you would like to delete only one, you press the third button. So if I wanted to delete the 3 pictures, press this one, that would delete them, and there's no picture. So it's as simple as that. So straight away from the box, pretty much if you play around it for a few minutes, you should be able to figure out on how to use it. And again, it's as simple as that. But let me just turn it off again. To turn it off, you just hold it, and it turns off quickly. So let me just take this off, so it just makes it easier for me to handle. There we are. Very interesting tool. I don't know how many times I'm going to use it, but it's definitely one of those things that, let's say for example, there is a hole in your keys fell in. I'm sorry. There is a hole in your keys fell in. How you'd get the keys out? Your hand is not able to fit in there. Then you get one of these accessories that come with it. You'd put it here. That would lock in place. Again, my hands are a little bit slippery at the moment, so I'm not. There we are. Managed to do it. So again, you'd pop that in there. It has a small magnet, and you should be able to pull out the keys or whatever else that part is, and if it's magnetic. Now, again, don't expect anything big to get out of it. Small stuff. So this is what you're getting. A very interesting tool to have. Definitely this is useful for, if you're a plumber, it will definitely be useful for you, or if you're an electrician. But personally, I would use this on very occasions that are emergency occasions where something fell behind a wall, I can't put my hand in, or I would like to find out what's in a hole, for example. I know it sounds silly, but it's definitely an interesting tool to have. That's it pretty much. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content. Until next time, stay safe and take care.